Hey, hello, welcome back to channel. In this video we're going to see a few differences between evaporation and boiling. So let's begin. The first point, evaporation is a slow vaporization process, and in case of boiling it is a fast vaporization process. So you'll understand why it is slow and fast when we are discussing about the energy. Okay. Now, the second point is physical change. So both are physical changes, right? So the physical property of the substance is getting changed. So here, which physical property? Here it is the state of the matter. That is liquid. It is getting converted to gaseous state. Okay. So since there is a change in the state of matter, we are calling it as physical change. Okay. The third one is evaporation occurs at any temperature. Okay, it can occur at any temperature. It doesn't happen only at a particular temperature like boiling. So if you see boiling, it occurs at a specific temperature which we are calling it as boiling point. Okay, so all the liquids will be having a particular boiling point at which it boils and gets converted to gaseous state. But in case of evaporation, it's not like that. It can occur at any temperature. And evaporation is a surface phenomena, right? So when you're considering surface phenomenon, that means the surface molecules alone will get converted to gaseous state. Okay, not all the molecules will be getting converted to gaseous state. Only the molecules which are present at the surface of the liquid, that alone will be getting converted to gaseous state. What is meant by bulk phenomenon? All the molecules present in the liquid will be converting to gaseous state. That's why we are calling it as bulk phenomenon. Okay, and these two are connected, energy from the surroundings and slow vaporization process. So we say that this is slow vaporization process. That means slowly the liquid is getting converted to gaseous state. Why? Because the surface molecules need to gain energy from the surroundings. From the atmosphere, it needs to energy. Okay, and then these surface molecules will be getting converted to gaseous state. So for this process to take place, it takes some time. So that's why it is slow vaporization process. But when it comes to boiling, what is happening? You are providing some external energy. That means like you are providing some heat. Okay, so because of which it can happen very fast. Okay, so the external energy need to be provided, because of which it is a fast vaporization process. Now in case of evaporation, no bubble formation takes place. In case of boiling, bubble formation takes place. Okay, so why this bubble is formed, that we will try to understand. So when you are considering boiling, it depends on atmospheric pressure. Okay, the pressure which is being exerted by the molecules present in the air on the liquid, that pressure we are calling it as atmospheric pressure. Okay, now when the vapor pressure of the liquid is equal to atmospheric pressure, during that time bubbles will be formed inside the liquid. That means within the liquid itself vapor will be formed. Okay, so that is what you are seeing it as bubbles. When this will happen? Only when the vapor pressure of the liquid is equal to atmospheric pressure. Now what is this vapor pressure actually? The way the like whatever the liquid you're taking, for example, if you take water, when you have started to heat this water, at one point of time few water molecules will be converting to vapor, water vapor. So that water vapor will be exerting some pressure on the molecules present in the atmosphere. So that pressure we are calling it as vapor pressure. When these two pressure are equal, during that time bubbles will be formed inside the liquid. Okay, so that is what we are mentioning it as bubble formation. Okay, but when it comes to evaporation, what is happening? Only the surface molecules are getting converted to a gaseous state. So no bubble formation takes place, and it does not depend on atmospheric pressure also. So when you take the boiling point of water, uh, like like on the ground level, okay, what it will be? It is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, but as you are going up, okay, as you are going up, when you're increasing the altitude, the atmospheric pressure will be low. Okay, if there is a decrease in the atmospheric pressure, then the boiling point also will be decreased. Okay, so maybe when you are sitting on a mountain, and if you are trying to boil the liquid, okay, boil the water, what happens? The boiling point of water will be around 90 or 91 degrees Celsius because the atmospheric pressure will be less over there. So boiling point is not a fixed one. It depends on the atmospheric pressure. Okay, so these are the major differences between evaporation and boiling. Thank you all. Happy learning.